There's a 1972 Supreme Court case that's quietly destroying police careers across America, and most people have never even heard of it. Picture this: 1966 New York. John Giglio gets busted for forging money orders at a bank. The only witness who can nail him? Robert Taliento, his partner in crime. Here's where it gets sketchy. Prosecutor DePaola cuts a secret deal with Taliento. Testify against Giglio, and we won't prosecute you. Sweet deal, right? But then DePaola hands the case off to another prosecutor, Golden, and conveniently forgets to mention this little immunity arrangement. At trial, Taliento gets on the stand and swears under oath that the government never promised him anything. The defense attorney asked directly, "Did you get any deal for your testimony?" "Nope," Taliento says. Complete lie. And the prosecutor, Golden, he has no idea, so he doesn't correct it. Giglio gets convicted and sentenced to 5 years in prison. Only after his conviction does his lawyer discover the truth about the secret immunity deal. The Supreme Court was furious. They said, you can't let witnesses lie about deals they made with the government, even if it's an accident, even if one prosecutor doesn't know what another prosecutor promised. The government is one entity, and they're responsible for what their people do. This created what we now call Giglio material. Any evidence that could undermine a witness's credibility has to be disclosed to the defense. That 1972 case about a bank forger has morphed into something way more sinister. Prosecutors now maintain what they call Giglio lists, which are secret databases of police officers whose credibility has been questioned. Get on this list, and your law enforcement career is over, done, finished. They call them death letters. They call them liar lists. They even have liar squads, administrative assignments for cops who can't testify anymore. Wayne County, Michigan just released their Giglio list publicly. 74 officers, their careers destroyed. Some departments straight up refuse to comply with these requests. And here's the kicker. You can get on this list for literally anything. Any unproven allegation, a personality conflict with your chief, whistleblowing on corruption. No hearing, no appeal, no due process, just a prosecutor deciding your credibility is shot and boom, you're unemployable in law enforcement forever. One officer in Virginia got terminated and Giglio listed for unsuitability with zero explanation. His career is now over, his reputation's destroyed, and he has no idea why. What started as a simple rule about disclosing witness deals has turned into a weapon of mass career destruction. The National Police Association is now begging the Supreme Court to intervene because this system has become completely unregulated and abusive. The scariest part? This isn't just happening to cops. It's a preview of what happens when prosecutors get unchecked power to destroy lives based on nothing but their own subjective judgment. The system that was supposed to ensure fair trials, it's become a tool for ending careers without due process.